Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, let me show you the error first. When I entering the wmic cs product command to get the serial number, so if it is not coming up and giving you the error, let me show you the error first. It's somehow it's hanged. BIOS get serial number, both command you can type here. WMI is not recognized as internal or external command. So basically this feature is not enabled in Windows 11. We need to install the WMI feature. Go to start menu, then click on simply settings, and once you click on setting guys, you just need to click on here and check for other features. Just need to type other feature. If you are not able to get it, click on system and then you should able to get it after that. Just type here feature, optional features, then click on view, click on show more details, features I mean, then type here WMIC and simply click on it, click on add, and this will take some time to add it. Once it is added guys, simply you need to hit the command again and see, that will fix your issue for sure. So that's all for this video guys. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.